How's it going, guys? Julian Bradley here from Jazz Tutorial. I hope you're doing well. I know I haven't been on YouTube for a while, but today I just wanted to give a quick announcement, which is I've produced a free resource for you, which is called the Jazz Tutorial Chord Voicing Guide. This is an 11-page ebook. I have it here. So we'll take a look at shell voicings, we'll look at open voicings, rootless voicings, fourth voicings, and more. I'll also show you how to practice these chord voicings, and I'll show you how to apply these voicings to a jazz song. So as a jazz piano player, this is going to be really useful. You can download it for free at the link below. And this is one of a new series of free resources which I'm giving away to Jazz Tutorial email subscribers. So I don't control YouTube. I don't know what the future holds, whether YouTube will change, if it will even exist tomorrow. So I just like people to subscribe to the Jazz Tutorial email newsletter so that even if I'm not posting on YouTube, but I might be elsewhere. So if you'd like to get this today, it's an 11-page guide. It shows you how to voice jazz standards using a series of chord voicings. You can download it absolutely free just by clicking on the link below. So I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying healthy. And I hope you're managing to find some time to get some extra practice in. So with that said, I hope you enjoy this chord voicing guide, and I'll see you in a new video soon.